This is how to manage releases in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to Projects and select the project you want to manage the releases. For instance, this one, just click these three dots and go to Project Settings. Scroll down and you will find Versions, and here you can see your release versions. You can create version. For instance, this will be v1.1 and it will be released 2025. And for description, let's say bug fix, and click save. You can also delete or edit a release version. Just go to your version you want to edit or delete. Click these three dots and you can click delete or edit. So this is how to manage releases in Jira.